First of all, I would like to congratulate PNRI for hosting a wonderful Atomic Energy Week. You know, I learned about nuclear technology and nuclear science only from the best. I learned it from PNRI. And as an electrical engineer, as early as 1985, I knew that we have to go nuclear. I had professors, Dr. Bala and the other professors, who were ready for the Bataan nuclear power plant at that time. And in 1987, when we had the law that bans the use of nuclear power, that's their interpretation, by the way, my professors left. And soon we removed nuclear engineering from the master's program of the University of the Philippines. That was 1987. We would have been enjoying the benefits of nuclear energy today had it not been for what happened at the time. And so it will take another law to change that, sirs. And I hope that you will help us. But because I'm from the Department of Science and Technology, I would like to read to you a portion of the National Academy of Science and Technology, the highest body of science and technology policy and scientists and national scientists on nuclear power in the Philippines. And I read, the Academy recommends that the government, 1, pursue a diversified energy mix to include nuclear energy. Number 2, develop a comprehensive national nuclear energy program with NEPIO as the lead group with active stakeholder involvement. Number 3, begin a long-term capacity building program for nuclear scientists and engineers and operational and maintenance technicians. And number 4, examine all alternative uses of the BNPP as non-energy and energy interagency asset, which is a socially and scientifically rich asset of the DOST, DOT, and DOE and DepEd. Specific actions to be pursued include as follows. Number 1, certify as urgent the passage of the proposed comprehensive nuclear law. Number 2, the Department of Energy should formulate a regulation on the operation, ownership, effects on EPIRA, among others, of nuclear power. Number 3, establish a National Institute for Nuclear and Interdisciplinary Energy Studies with funding provision of at least 20 million per year for 5 years to undertake, among others, A, an economic, financial, and risk analysis of any proposed nuclear power plant project, B, a comprehensive assessment of its environmental, economic, and social impact, and C, a life cycle assessment study of the environmental performance of a nuclear power system from cradle to grave. Clearly, our scientists have spoken. And the Department of Science and Technology Secretary, Fortunata T. de la Peña, gave me this to say to PNRI. Tell PNRI that this is a directive for them to specifically follow the recommendations of the National Academy of Science and Technology. Therefore, I urge PNRI to make sure that all of the provisions of the NAS paper are followed. This is going to mean, Dr. Caloy and members of PNRI, that you need to appear on TV, on radio, on Facebook, and all sorts of media to, number 1, remove the stigma from the word nuclear. That is step number 1. To that point, I am also guilty because one time we were trying to start the ball rolling on training nuclear scientists, but then we were fearful of public perception, so we called the program S&T Capacity Building for High Energy Physics. So we now have sent scholars abroad, we have sent scientists and physicists abroad to go ahead and study nuclear physics. But we never use the word nuclear, we just say high energy physics. But I think it is time to neutralize the word nuclear since the President has already spoken. We believe that there are social and economic benefits that we will again miss if we don't go for nuclear power. I hope that the statement is very clear to our friends in media, whom I polled one by one, and whom I expect to write all about this today and for the rest of the Atomic Energy Week. Congratulations, PNRI.